Hello out there. This is part 5 of the series looking at getting Microsoft Excel's spreadsheet data into a data frame using Pandas. We've done this for the labour force surveys published by the Australian Bureau of Statistics. So the question is, will this work for other statistical data that the Bureau publishes? Firstly, I'll make the start row a default equal to 10. That way we don't need to change it again. So we'll look at lending finance. So if we have a look at the spreadsheet for that, it's got the same sort of format. So you have all your descriptions going from row 1 to 10, then your data starting at row 11. Which is row 10 in Python. So I'll give that a run. And it works no problems at all. So we've created our data frame with the valid variable names, and there's no duplicate variable names created, which is good. And none that exceed 32 characters in length. So what about balance of payment data? So we'll give that a run as well. No problems at all, so that runs as well, creating valid variable names in our data frame. Job vacancy statistics. And that's worked as well, as we can see here. So let's have a look at business counts. Business counts is the total number of employers in Australia. And in this particular spreadsheet, they're in employment size ranges, so that's the total number of employees for each type of business. So running this, it's taken a while because there are over 44,000 rows in the spreadsheet. And hello, we've got a problem here. The length of a variable exceeds 32 characters, that's no good. And we have duplicates as well. As you can see here with the missings. So let's have a look at this spreadsheet. So here it is here, Council of Australian Business, including entries and exits June 2011 to 2015. So got the logo up there and everything. We go in here, they've got the logo here again. They shouldn't have to do that. And we can see what the problem is. For a start, our data doesn't start in row 10, it starts in row 8. Or row 11, I guess, in the spreadsheet perspective. And also, the column names don't really have much in the way of a description, which is not really good. Also, again, the industry names here are not very descriptive. What industry we're talking about, and what's this SA2? That should be. Of course it's in the contents, but it's nice to have it in the spreadsheet as well. Now, to be fair, this sort of thing happens across pretty much all the statistical agencies. They have different areas have different ways of formatting their data that they publish. And so in this case, this is sort of departed from the standard format that national accounts, labour force, and employer surveys are using. And I would argue that there's no reason why they shouldn't adopt the same format. So I've created an alternate version. So here it is here. I've added more descriptions. The data should start in row 11, so I better add another row there. And as you can see, I've got a more full description of each of the columns. I'm spanning from 1 to row 4 in the description, so we don't get any missings in the variable names. That's because in the program we are reading the first 4 rows to get a descriptor for our variable names. So having done that, I'll save that. It's taken a while because there's over 44,000 rows in this spreadsheet. So we'll go back to the program now, and now I'll run the one with the new modified format. So it's running. There we go. It's fantastic. It all worked perfectly. So it's created our variable names, not exceeding 32 characters, and there are no duplicate names created. So open that up, and there it is there. We've got all our data in there. Ready to start doing analysis. So I guess the thing I should show next is what happens if we have duplicate column names in a pandas data frame. Very horrible things happen. So I'll just illustrate that. So run that again. We've got duplicate variable names. If we try and open that data frame in Spider, we'll get all these errors, and there's no way to recover from that. It's caused Spider to crash in such a way that you have to actually restart Spider. So there you go. It's yes, I don't know if, I think they were talking about putting a fix in Pandas to resolve this sort of issue, because obviously it's not right having duplicate column names, but it should just issue an error to warn you that it has it does do that here, but then it's caused Spider to crash quite horribly. So if you like the video, subscribe and give me the thumbs up.